Welcome back everyone. We're dealing with more advanced concept of functions. So in this lecture what we're going to do is that suppose you're writing a program and instead of just printing the result of your function, you want to store that result in a variable. So what can we do? Now I'll explain with a small example right here. Suppose you opened a food market and according to the order of your customer, you want to print the price of that item. I written some parts of the function here already. We used def, which is our keyword for writing a function. A function name is order, and it will receive an item which is going to be a string, and it will check if this item is equal to chicken burger. Now if the item is a chicken burger, we must send back a value to the function call. So to do that, we'll use the return keyword. Now we will return the value 1. Alright. So next step, we must receive the item name from the user. So next what we must do is we have to call the function. We'll not only be just calling the function, we're going to store the value. We're going to store the result of that function in a variable. So to do that, we'll create a variable result. It can be any name, but for the time being we'll use result. And this result must store the result of the function. So to do that, we must function call. So we have to function call with the value given by the user. So in this case, result equal to order item name. So this is our function call. So what this will do is that it will send this item name, which is going to be the item name entered by the user, and it will check if that item is equal to chicken burger. Now if the item is equal to chicken burger, it will return the value 1. So what that means is that it will send back the value 1 to this function call. So our result will be equal to 1. So let's print the result value so that you'll have a clear idea when we run the program. Okay, so last part is that we are going to check that if the result value is 1, it must print the price of our chicken burger. So let's do that. Alright, so if the result value is equal to 1, we'll print the price and also print out thank you for shopping. Alright, so program is complete. Now let's try running this. Alright, we have to enter our item name. So let's enter chicken burger. Alright, now check out the output screen. Result is 1, $5, thank you for shopping. So program is working perfectly. So return keyword is used to send back a value to the function call. This is used when we want to store the result of a function into a variable so that that result can be used anywhere in the program. For example, this case. Now we'll run this again, and if we type in something else, for example maybe French fries, result is none. That means there is no French fries, we only have chicken burgers. So this program is only going to work if the entered item is chicken burger. Now I have a small assignment for you. Add one more item expand this function for French fries so that it works if the input is French fries. So for that you can just add one more conditional statement and check if the item is equal to French fries. If the item is equal to French fries, return 2 or some other value instead of 1, and then store that value in another variable and check if that variable value is equal to the return value. So I think the concept of return is clear to you. We'll do more programs with it and you'll have a better understanding of this. So don't worry if it's not clear to you right now. It will be clear to you by the end of this section. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture. Have a great day.